In this video, I will guide you on how to create second space on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. This is also going to work out for the Redmi Note 15 and the 15 Pro Plus as well. So to create and use second space, you want to head over to the settings, scroll all the way down until you find the additional settings, and then scroll down again until you find the second space option under special features. Go ahead and select that, and then tap on the turn on second space from over here. Give it a couple of seconds. Go ahead and tap on continue, and now you want to set a password, pin or pattern for your second space. First, you have to enter your current password, pin or pattern, and then next you have to enter the password, pin or pattern for your new space. Confirm the new password, pin or pattern for the new space, and then tap on confirm. You can go ahead and add a fingerprint if you want, but for this video I will just skip that. And this is actually the new space, and you can simply switch between both spaces by entering the password, pattern or pin for that particular space. So if I want to go back to my previous space, I'll just enter my previous password, pin or pattern, and now I am actually in the previous space. But if I want to go to the new space I have just created, I'll just enter the password, pin or pattern for the new space, and now I am in the new space. Please let me know in the comment section if this was helpful, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.